those innocent eyes. That smile on your face makes it easy.
Hey queen, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hey sis, hey. So in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. I don't know if you want to call it passion twist or like a mix of, it's like a mix of passion twist with like a mix of Havana twist. I don't know what you want to call it, but it's different because at the ends it's like passion twist at the ends. At the top it's like Senegalese twist. So that's what I did. I had the idea in my mind. I'm like, I want my twist to look uniformed at the top, and then at the bottom I want it to look like curly. So how can I get this look? So in this video I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I got this look. So if you guys want to know how I got this gorgeous hair installed, then stay tuned. So first we're going to start off with a braid. Okay, we're going to pretend like this is your hair. Just going to braid it like an inch like this, braid a little bit, and then leave the rest out. So next we're going to take a piece of pre-fluffed pop and twist free tress hair from Free Dress. This is the hair that I'm using. So this is only one piece and it comes in bundles, right? So it comes in bundles. So you're going to separate this into 4 sections. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you're going to take a Free Tress Water Wave. This is a 12-inch. And this is in the color T27. I'll put the hair that I used right there. You're gonna separate these into like really tiny pieces, like this, something like this. And then you're just gonna put it to the side. So it's like little tiny pieces. You're just gonna keep separating them until you've got no more hair left to separate, right? So these are your twists. You're not going to use all of them for this one twist, but you're going to use like at least 2 to 3. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a piece of this springy twist here. You're going to use a crochet needle and we're going to crochet it into our braid. Now this doesn't really matter if you're going to crochet it at the base or a little bit below, because we're using a small piece, it's not going to really like be as bulky. You're going to crochet that piece in, right? So you're going to make one piece shorter than the other. So this piece that's shorter than the other is going to be wrapped around. Now the way you wrap around your hair depends on the direction you twist in. So if I'm twisting this way, then I'm going to be wrapping that way. If I'm twisting this way, then I'm going to be wrapping this way. So you want to wrap the way, they want to wrap in the direction that you're twisting. So since I'm twisting to the right, I believe, hold on, I'm just going to make sure because I do it. Okay, so I'm going to be twisting to the left because the way my hand is moving, like naturally moving, the way it naturally moves is to the left. So I'm going to be twisting to the left. So I'm going to make this side shorter than the other side. So now you just want to take the smaller piece and just wrap it to the left. So you're going to wrap, and I like to wrap at least like 4 to 5 times, maybe a little bit more, but depending on how I feel. So you want to wrap it. That's how much I like to wrap. I don't like to wrap too long, too much, but just enough. Your hair, you're going to split into two. You're going to split in evenly so that you're able to twist with the hair. So you're going to have two sections, right? So now we're going to add a piece. In order to extend it, we're going to add a piece to the twist, and you're just going to put it in the middle of the twist like that. So now what we're going to do is just twist the right section to the right a little bit, and then put it over like that. Then you're just going to twist the other section like that, and then you're just going to put it over. Now you want to make sure that your thumb is like hugging the twist, so that way it's nice and taut and tight. And you're just going to keep repeating that. If you're having trouble, then you can rewind and look at what I'm doing, but this is what I'm doing. So now to add more hair to the twist, all you're going to do is just put it in between your thumb, not your thumb, your middle finger, your middle finger, and you're just going to add it to the hair, and you're just going to twist it to the right. You're going to twist it a little bit to the right, and then you're just going to bring it over with your thumb. Twist, and then bring it over with your thumb. And you're just going to keep doing that, but you want to make sure that it's nice and tight. So this is making a rope twist. We're basically making a rope twist. So you're twisting as you're twisting. You're twisting the legs as well as crossing them over. So you're twisting it and then crossing over. Twisting it and then crossing over. Crossing over. Twisting it and then crossing over. Now I'm going to show you what I do to make sure that your hair is tucked in. You want to make sure you use a gel. You can use any gel. I use pure neat braid, or you can use Eco Styler gel, any gel that you have at the moment. So I'm just going to put some gel on the hair so that way it's not sticking out. And then you're just going to continue to twist and doing the same motion, right? Continue to twist until you get to the bottom. So as you're like kind of close to the bottom, you're going to start adding the curly pieces to the bottoms. So you're going to add your water wave hair, and you're just going to put it in between, the same way you added the hair. This hair is the same way you're adding this hair. So you're just going to twist it the same way, and you're just adding that hair in, and you're twisting it the same way. And you're just going to twist and then bring it over. Twist and bring it over. And then I like to use two pieces. Some of the pieces I use 3, but you can use 2 pieces if you want. So you're just going to keep going and do the same twist. And then once this hair, the kinky hair is ran out, once that hair is run out, then you're going to just twist regular. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. You're just going to like loosely twist at the bottom instead of doing it tight, because this is a tight twist, and then at the bottom it's going to be looser. And then when your hair gets too long, you can just either use your teeth to hold it while you're doing your hair, or you can just wrap it around like that, and then just continue to twist. And then if it's too frizzy for you, just keep adding product to the twist. I'm not gonna keep adding product because I'm just showing you guys how I do it. But when I'm doing my hair, I keep adding product to the twist so that way it's not like as frizzy like this. So once this hair has ran out, now you're gonna end up just twisting it like regular, doing a regular twist. So that way the curl part can just, so you're just twisting it over like that, twisting it like that, like very loosely. That's all I'm doing, is bringing it over, and you don't even have to worry about it like unraveling because it's at the bottom. It's not at the top of your twist, because with regular passion twists, your hair tends to stick out because it's unraveling and it's not twisted properly. So that's why I decided to do the water wave hair at the bottom and then do, you know, the kinky hair at the top. So that way, you know, this is how it looks basically. If you guys want to give this a try, give it a try. But yeah, that's how I basically did all of my twists. If you guys have any questions, let me know. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys give me a huge thumbs up and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.